What up, internet? I am the PC Goblin. This video is going to be me rebuilding my wet bench. So I'm going to be taking all of this stuff off and all of it's going into a different project that I'm going to be working on. So subscribe so you can see that in an upcoming video. But everything but the water cooling loop is going into that other project. But I'm going to be building a whole new computer on this with much more updated hardware, so it's going to be great. And I've got to clean out my water cooling loop because it's got all sorts of stuff growing inside of it. But I'm not going to tell you what I'm putting on it until I've got it all on it. So keep watching so you can find out all the new hardware in my new build on my test bench, and let's get to it. And that's it for that build. So on the PC, I've got an AMD Ryzen 3700X. I didn't want the very top end. I didn't want to spend that much money because I'm not going to be needing all those cores and everything on my test bench. And the 3800X is just faster, so I figured I can overclock this. But if it doesn't go very high on the overclocks, I'm still not out very much because this is still going to go plenty fast for what I need it to do. And for the SSD, I've got a PCI Express 4.0 Corsair MP600. Now I ran with this so I can do some testing with it later on, comparing it against an NVMe drive and a SATA drive, just to see if there's any benefit by having a PCI Express 4 SSD to the average consumer. Now, if you're moving lots of data, there should be lots of reasons to have this, but other than that, I really don't think there is. But subscribe so you can see that in a future video. And then for RAM, I ran with the Trident Z Neo, and I ran with 16 gigs of this, two 8 gig sticks, and this memory is beautiful. It looks really good in the pictures, but it looks even better in person. If you're looking for memory tailored towards the AMD experience, I really recommend this memory. It's really pretty and good looking. And then for the motherboard, I ran with the ASRock Phantom Gaming X. Now, the main reason I ran with this is because I got it for the same price as I could get the Tai Chi. Now, the reason I got this is because another tech tuber named BuildZoid, he recommended the Tai Chi in the $300 price range for overclocking. Now, there was other motherboards he recommended, but I really liked the way the Tai Chi looked. Now, I got the Phantom Gaming X because it's basically the same motherboard as the Tai Chi, but it has a couple extra features. And then for the power supply, I'm running with the Be Quiet Straight Power 11. Now this isn't going to be the permanent power supply on my test bench. I'm just testing it out from the get-go on my test bench so that I can use this on a future project that I mentioned earlier. So once again, subscribe to my channel so you can see that video coming up in the somewhat near future. But so far I'm really happy with this build. It looks great. It makes barely any noise. It's really quiet. Now if you're wondering about the video card that I've got on it, that's a Vega 56 that I picked up used for about, I think, 200 bucks. And so far it's been a heck of a card. If you guys have any comments about what I did or have any questions about anything that you see in the video, go ahead and leave a comment in the section below. And if you liked the video, hit that like button. And to see more of my stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.